Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing great. Now today, Southwest Florida just had a update. Literally they added interior convertible convertibles. Like I know you guys wanted more convertibles. We only had two Lamborghini Evo and the Lamborghini Reventon, and Reventon is gone. And they had it so many Porsches, 8 new Porsches. Let's get right into that. Turn a dealership employee. I'm so happy for the update. Southwest just made me so happy because I was very sad because two of my puppies died and I was crying, but this actually made me so a little bit happier. The thing that would make me most happy is if you guys actually like just get this video to 100 likes. Woo! And there's actually no limited cars, guys. You gotta be excited because a lot of people can't get limited cars, and I know that for a fact. But you know, limited cars are very expensive. They always make the limited cars crazy expensive, bro. Even the last update, 2.7 mil and 2.6 mil. Like, bruh, who has that much money, man? Well, if you save up, if you guys literally just get to a CEO on Fintech, and your guys are okay. Let's check these cars out. The first one, let's check out these convertibles. Yee! Got 2021 Porsche Cayman, man. You. Plus, it's a soft top, bruh. You know the Porsche gotta have the soft top. Well, currently there's no animation because there's actually like a glitch with the animation. So there's actually god damn, so nice. Not that fast, but good roleplay car. Nice, nice, nice. I like it, I like it, I like it. Ooh! We got this one. Cayman ain't that good. We gotta pull out the nice. Ooh. This is like our portion of the game. They should name this like the remodel. Well, it's not really a remodel, but like, woo! Listen to that. I told you, it's like a remodel because literally just like just a convertible. But this one is super accurate. And that's the Porsche. Next convertible. Let's try out the supercars. Only got 2 for the vid. It's technically a lot of Porsches, so it doesn't make sense you guys actually waste your money on buying all these Porsches. Just save it for like the next update probably. Whoa, this car crazy nice. I like that thing at the front, boy. Oh, I love this. You got the match on match. Red car with the red literal. The line out of the rims is red, man. Like, you really want that? Listen to that, man. But no, don't worry. You gotta try the GT3 RS. Pop! 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 Let's hear this sound up. Let's hear this, boy. We gotta hear this again. Come on. God. You guys already know. Porsches they have a soft. Let's go. It spit flames, boy. It spit flames. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Really wanted him to just like check this out. Ooh. Love the kit, boy. Love the kit. Love the kit. Carbon fiber wood. Ain't even that. We ain't gotta specify, but I'm still specify for the vid. Let's see this carbon fiber. Come on, car. Why you moving on me? We're in the vid, man. What? My car is possessed. It's possessed. Father God, help this. The exorcists need to be found. Come on, man. Put it in park. Oh man, it's carbon fiber. Well, we already know that, man. Even the hood, man. Carbon fiber. Let's see this. Is this carbon fiber? Come on. Come on. Oh man, it's fake. It's fake. It's fake. But it's alright. Well, guys, that's it for the vid. Hope y'all like the vid for today. And hope y'all like the update. Peace out.